Hello, and welcome to Desigo Optic, Floor Plan Graphics. Now we want to create a floor-level graphic for the ground floor of the aquarium. The first thing we will do is select the ground floor, and hit the arrow to make it the current context. Next, we are going to select Graphics Builder, and hit New. The graphic name can be kept as the ground floor plan. Next, we are going to select the equipment to be used to do the comparisons on the floor plan. The comparison will be room temp versus room set point. Then hit OK and the 5 zones are being selected. These fields are used to enter the deviation. For a smaller or a larger deviation, we need to enter a negative number for minimum and a positive number for maximum. And then, we would like to make the legend gradient. What does that mean? Instead of a hard color at each level, it would then blend the color, so it is going to be a smooth transition from one color to the next. We hit OK, and now we have created that floor plan. Then we hit Edit. Here you can see what is meant by gradient. The color slowly changes over. Next, we need to drag a background in. To do so, we just open up a PNG file of our floor, and we drag the floor onto the background. We pull it in, and then we just line it up. We can use the sizing, position and sizing, if we want. Or we can simply drag it to the size that we need. Once it is in place, hit the lock button to lock it in place. Next we are going to use this polygon tool to define the areas that each zone belongs to. Now we have our floor plan all mapped up. If we had to make some slight changes to the different polys, we select the second polygon button, which is used to edit, and now we can modify the polys. If we had to adjust certain areas in the floor plan itself, we would use this Edit button. This is the polygon button to make new ones, and this polygon button is used to go back to the selection screen. So, let's go back to the selector. And we would like to select all zones. If the black line around it shall be removed, we need to go to the stroke width, and put 0. With that entry, the line is removed. As the next step, we go to our virtual points, and what we want to do is take the room temp, and put it in the location where it is located. So, this room temp goes here. Number 2 would be up here. Number 3 would be over here. And then number 4. And then 5. Once we have done that, go over to Magic Buttons, and then go to Smart Label to Polys, and it will put the locations. The size of these labels can be changed by either selecting one, or all of them, and then adjusting them to be smaller or larger. The Smart Label can also be set to non-interactive. What does that mean? If it is interactive, and we hit the Smart Label, or the area around the Smart Label, it is going to put a pop-up to command the point. But we do not want it to command the point, we want it to go to our graphics. So we are making it non-interactive at that point. Let's save the graphic. If we go back to our floor, we'll see that the zones change color. From here, we can also get to another zone or to a graphic. Thanks for watching. and see you soon in one of our next videos about Desigo Optic.